This project introduces learners to web-based interactive audio synthesis and playback using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, with a focus on the Tone.js library. The application simulates a cinematic orchestral environment, where multiple instruments play melodies and chords in a semi-randomized pattern. Through this project, learners will understand the relationship between web elements, user interaction, and audio processing in real time. The HTML structure provides a simple user interface that allows the user to start and stop the orchestral playback and adjust the volume. By connecting buttons and sliders to JavaScript event listeners, learners gain practical experience in linking interface elements with dynamic behavior. They will see how changes in the DOM can directly influence the functionality and feedback of the application. The volume control demonstrates how to manipulate audio parameters in real time, reinforcing the concept of two-way interaction between user input and audio output. The CSS styling introduces basic and intermediate techniques for visual presentation, including font selection, layout alignment, spacing, color gradients, and button styling. Learners see how visual aesthetics can complement interactive experiences, and how subtle effects like text shadows and gradient backgrounds contribute to an immersive interface. The CSS approach here balances simplicity with visual appeal, showing how minimal styling can still produce a professional look suitable for interactive media. JavaScript forms the core of the lesson. Learners will understand the concept of instrument samplers and how to initialize them with external audio sources. They will explore how to apply effects such as reverb, delay, and panning to create spatial and temporal depth in the sound. This part of the project demonstrates the importance of chaining audio effects and controlling their parameters dynamically to achieve a more realistic orchestral sound. Learners also engage with probabilistic logic by implementing randomized note selection, which ensures that the melodies do not feel repetitive and introduces concepts of conditional logic and randomization. The orchestral loop introduces the concept of scheduling repeated events with a transport system. Learners will see how tempo can be varied dynamically and how chords can be scheduled alongside individual instrument lines. By observing the interaction of multiple instruments playing simultaneously at different probabilities, students gain an understanding of timing, sequencing, and concurrency in audio programming. This also teaches practical skills in handling complex arrays, loops, and state tracking, since each instrument's last played note must be stored to avoid immediate repetition. Throughout the project, learners develop debugging and problem-solving skills. For example, managing asynchronous audio playback, ensuring correct timing, and controlling the interaction between transport and sampler instances highlight the challenges of real-time audio applications. Students will also learn the importance of performance considerations, such as preloading audio samples and controlling master gain, to prevent clipping or overloading the browser's audio engine. This project offers ample opportunity for creative exploration and extension. Learners can expand the instrument pool, create their own chord progressions, implement more complex rhythmic patterns, or add visualizations that react to the music. They can experiment with different audio effects, explore advanced Tone.js features like envelopes and LFOs, or integrate MIDI input for real-time performance. By doing so, they will not only reinforce their technical skills, but also learn how to design immersive interactive experiences that combine sound, interface, and randomness. By the end of this lesson, learners will have a strong foundation in web audio development, a practical understanding of JavaScript-driven interactivity, and a portfolio-ready example of a dynamic, browser-based orchestral application. The skills acquired are applicable to games, music apps, interactive storytelling, and any project that benefits from combining structured logic, creative randomness, and responsive user interfaces.